Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another powerful super episode right here on this channel. So in this video we are bringing to you what exactly is a semaphore in Python. A semaphore is a synchronization primitive that actually controls access to shared resources in multi-threaded environments, and essentially a traffic light for your code. It actually uses an internal error counter for available resource slots. Acquire decreases the counter while release increases it, preventing race conditions by limiting concurrent access to critical sections. So we are looking at a semaphore example where we have this block of code that you can try out in your VS Code and let us know how it went. The semaphore, which is this very one, limits resource access to 3 threads at once, and additional threads block at acquire until another thread calls release. When run, only 3 workers execute simultaneously, demonstrating resource access control. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ayo, the General Semaphores.